next Sunday are our 2 carol services happening in the morning, one at 10 a.m. and one 12 noon. And remember, you need a ticket for these. They're free to come along, but just get your ticket. Head to our website or Church Suite, get your ticket for that and join us for one of those services for carols. It'll be a great time together. And just to remind you that also you don't need a ticket for our Christmas nativity, which is happening on Christmas Eve. You can just turn up to that. And also for our Sunday service on Christmas Day, you can turn up for that as well. No ticket required. So mark your calendars for those ones, guys. Guys, it's finally here. Christmas Fest is happening this week here at Exile Church and we are so excited. So much prep has gone into it. So we're really excited to have you there. Now, if you're volunteering, make sure you know when your slot is. Be on time, be prompt to come along and help out. And if you're coming along, invite a friend. Why not? There's still tickets available online. If you haven't got a ticket yet, go and get yours today. But guys, we can't wait to see you there. So see you there for Christmas Fest. Christmas parties are going to be coming along, so if you have children here at Exile Church, then make sure that you check out the details for when those parties are happening. Don't let them miss out. It's going to be loads of fun, so you're not going to want to miss it. But you can just check our website or speak to one of us at the end of the service for more details on that for our Christmas parties. Just a quick reminder that on January the 1st, which of course is New Year's Day, there are no services here at Exile Church. So just enjoy your lie-in, enjoy your day. But we'll be back the following Sunday in January. So on the 1st of January, no services, but we'll see you after that. Righteousness and the wonders of his love, and the wonders of his love, and the wonders, the wonders. This Wednesday we've got a short prayer meeting at church for 7:30, so make sure you come along for that if you're able to. And that's all for Exile News, so have a great week, guys.